Heading up to the barn. Let's go see the babies. It's one of my favorite places in the whole world. Hi. So these are the alpacas. Daisy. Hi, Mama. Hello. We have Daisy and Dolly. And back there we have our other two. Excuse me, ladies. Excuse me. Thank you so much. And then this is our other mama and baby that were born last week. And they are doing amazing. This is Autumn. And this sweet little girl. Hi. Hello, sweet girl. You want to say hi to the friends? Say hi, friends. She's sweet as pie. And look, she has a cute little heart on the back of her head. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, mamas. Let me see if I can show you, because I've been trying to get a picture, of course, and she doesn't let me. Because they're like little, I just call them little bing bings. They just bing, bing, bing all over the place. Huh, pretty girl. Hopefully you can see it. It's the sweetest little thing. Oh, you can see it good there. I love her. They're both so, so sweet. Huh. And her mama's name is Autumn, so we're thinking about a name for this little girl. This is my girlfriend's farm, and I've been helping her care for it for the last like 7 years. And we absolutely love it. She does farm visits to the farm, so I think we're gonna let everyone help name these little angels. Hi, hello, sweet girl. They're just doing incredible, and they are loving getting out in the sunshine. We do have them inside right now. Huh. Oh, it's a good girl. Go potty. That's such a good girl. So proud of you. You're doing so good. Sweet girls. Yeah, I just love watching them explore. I think it's the cutest thing. Watching new babies explore the world is adorable. It's the best. And we have the alpacas coming to check it out. New friends. What do you think? And Daisy absolutely loves babies of any sort. She loves when kids come with strollers, this is what she does. She lays down next to them and just hangs out. What is it? She's like, I don't know. I never seen such a thing. I only seen my mom and humans, so she's definitely getting used to the world. But that's what makes it so fun, because they just explore everything and they're so excited about life. She just hang out with her mama. So we're just gonna give them a few minutes outside to play and run around, and then we're gonna take them back in and get them all settled in for the day. It is like 100 today, so it's super hot. So we're not gonna let them stay out too long, but just let the baby get some fresh air and mama get some grass. Huh. Get finished up for the day. There's Daddy. He's like, wait a minute. What's going on here? You talking to your baby? Huh, Papa? You want to say hi to the baby? I love baby season. So this mama, we are waiting for her to have her baby still. I know she's got some hiding in there. She's bagged up and everything, but she has not dropped those kids off yet. And we don't know. He could be the daddy, or he could be the daddy back there. and we love them both. They're really sweet boys. And yeah, we're hoping for babies, more babies. This is their logs. They love to jump on those and frolic around. Huh, guys? They're so sweet. We have a really good bunch of friends here. And then these are the sheep. Hi, girls. One of them's in their house. It is hot today. Good morning. Hi, babies. Hi, sweet girls. And then we have the ponies out back. Hello, she says, I'm done my breakfast. Can you come let me off of this? That'd be great. Got all of our girls. There's Snowy, Louise, Thelma, and Tootsie. We do hook them on the halters just so that they all get their correct amount of breakfast. So then they have to be patient and wait until everyone's finished. Welcome to the world, little Peanut. Look at this little sweet girl. Hi, you silly girl. This is Sissy and her baby. This sweet little angel is about a week old. Whoop, whoop. What's she doing, Mom? Call your baby. Call her, where'd she go? Itchy. Oh, you itchy? Say hi, baby. What you doing? What's you doing? Say hi to the friends. Huh? Hi, sweet girl. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Are you playing? Are you so excited to be out? So we're trying to figure out names for this sweet little girl. She is stinking adorable. She has a little freckle on her nose. Oh, you're a sassy little thing. You got a little freckle on your nose, huh? Huh? Hi, sweet girl. Ooh, the wind. What is it? She says, I'm testing out everything out here in the world. Hi, pretty girl. And Sissy is such a good mama. This is her first baby, and she's doing amazing. Go find your mom. I'm peeing. Good girl. Good girl. Bing, 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 bing. Get her. What a good girl. We are in the midst of cleaning this morning, but I had to stop and get some footage because she is so stinking cute. Ooh, they are so spunky at this stage, and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. They just bing, 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 bing all over the place. Well, come on, you hid yourself in there. Come get mama. Bing, bing. Hi. Hi, baby. Where's your mom? Go get mama. Oh, she's literally the sweetest mama. She's so gentle. Oh, you're such a good girl, Sissy. That your baby? What you got, baby? Oh. She's the best. What a good girl. It's so peaceful out here in the morning. It's my favorite time of day. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet girl. She said, I gotta go. Let's go feed the cow and donkeys. Maybe they'll talk to us. Hi, babies. Hi. Hello. How are we? Hi, Jenny. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Hello. Hi, babies. Hello. Hi, sweet babies. Hi, Jack. Hello. Hi. Getting so brave, Jenny. So proud of you. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Handsome. Hi, big girl. Hi. All right. I'm going to feed these guys. They are excited. Hi. Oh, those bugs are so bad. Any recommendations for fly spray for cows that actually works would be incredible. We've been doing the Skin So Soft on her and it is not working as well. We have like fly bags up and everything, but we got to figure out something else because the poor girl is just getting chewed up. And if you guys have cows, I'm sure you can relate. Their legs just look terrible and so sad because the flies just love them. But yeah, we got to figure out something. I need to go feed the piggy now. I'm gonna go back and do that. Favorite part of the day. Oh my boy. Right? Oh. Get your daddy? Should we get your daddy? Oh, so good. Get all your itchies? Huh? Oh my goodness. Your favorite daddy rubs? Oh, the good stuff. The things piggy dreams are made of. He's a good girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, good fellow. Oh, good. Oh, you're such a good girl. Oh. Get all the itchies. Good girl. You had your breakfast. You're all set. Good girl. That's a good girl, Charlotte. Yes, you're such a good girl. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's a good girl. Get your mohawk. Oh my lord. Yes, get your mohawk. This is my last barn sitting visit before their mama comes back. So I'm getting all my snuggles in. I mean, it's just beautiful out here. It's like literally my paradise. Like, oh, this is what I want. This is what I want for me. And I am so thankful that I get to learn and practice and get so much hands-on experience doing this with one of my best friends in the entire world. So let's get our girl. Hi, mamas. You want to say hi? Hi. Hello. She says, I would like some dinner. So this is Clementine. She is a 25-year-old draft horse. We rescued her about a year ago and have been working on just her trust with people. That's something she's really struggled with. She's a very jumpy girl. She was said to be a trail horse, and I just don't see that being a possibility. Because of how scared she is of literally life. So she's come a long way and she's put on so much weight. She was just little skin and bones when we got her and she looks incredible now. The little flies are driving her nuts, but 'tis the season. Huh, mama? Good girl. All right, so I'm heading out. My last day barn sitting, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's hot, but I love it. It's my dream to have my own small farm one day, and I love being part of this process of learning and just being with these guys. So if you guys like videos like this and want to see more, drop a heart below, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, friends.